Hello everyone, this was Chris and welcome back to the video. Today I'm showing you how to make a custom resource pack. Now this is actually pretty easy. So what you have to do is, first what I recommend to do is have a specific folder for your resource pack. This is where we are going to be saving some stuff. So first you want to open up Notepad. There we go. And you're going to paste this text in right here. For some reason it's not pasting because I have a file on. But this right here is the text that you need to have. I need to have these characters right here, and I'll be leaving this text in the description, so you can just easily copy that. And then this right here is the resource pack description, and then this right here is the pack format version. Now, actually, on the wiki here, there are the versions right here. So you have one for 1.6.1 through 1.8.9. We have 1.9 through 1.10.2. 1.11 through 1.12.2, 1.13 through 1.14, 1.15 through 1.16.1, 1.16.2 through 1.16.4, and 1.17 plus. So these right here are the values that you have to put into this area right here. So I'm going to be making my resource pack for 1.16.4, so I'm keeping it like this. What we're now going to do is we're going to go to File, and we're going to Save As. Now we can save it in our folder right here, but before we actually there actually has to be a specific name and a specific file extension. So what we have to do is save as type all files. I'm going to call this pack.mcmeta. And we can hit save. And now we can go back to our folder here, and then see we have the mcmeta file right here. Now we're going to be we're going to be right clicking on this, and we're going to go to send to compressed zip folder, and here's where we'll actually name the resource pack. I'm calling this test resource pack. There we go. So now we actually have to have the Minecraft assets, and I already have a link. I already have the Minecraft assets. So I'll be leaving a link in the description down below. On a download for the assets, but you can extract them yourself manually. As you can see here, I have the test resource pack. Zip file right here. What we're going to do is we're going to paste the resource pack template. We're going into the pack, and we're going to be copying the assets. We're going back to our resource pack folder, and we're going to go test resource pack, and we're just going to we actually cannot paste it. We actually have to paste it in here first, and now it is going to load. There's a lot of items in the assets folder, so I'll just give it a minute. So this extraction of the assets can take about a minute to even 10 minutes, just depending on how powerful your computer is. And this only works on PC. I'm not entirely sure how to do it on Mac, but you're going to need to do about the same steps as I have. If you don't have Notepad, I recommend getting Microsoft Notepad. I recommend that you getting it actually works with any plain text editor, and everything else is just copying and pasting files. So everything should work with Mac as well. I am on Windows. I just wanted to say that. So that only took about a minute, and now that we have our assets, we can go to resource pack template and hit delete. But now we have our assets. What we're going to do is we're going to drag this into our test resource pack. And now as we just quickly compress this. This is really quick and easy, and we can now delete the assets from our regular folder. And now it will just quickly delete it. And we can now go to test resource pack. And see here we have our assets and the pack.mcmeta. I'm actually going to delete this other pack.mcmeta just because we don't actually need it anymore. So now we have all our assets. We can go to assets, Minecraft, we can do textures and stuff, and now we have every single texture in Minecraft. So now is when you can actually start texture editing. So I actually have a couple of textures, which I'll just quickly drag in here. So I'm going to be modifying the texture of the skeleton, but what we actually have to do is we have to rename it exactly like the actual file is. So as you can see here, I have my texture right here. This is what it's called. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to duplicate it. I'm going to bring this up again so I can actually see the exact name of the what's it called, of the actual texture. So we can go to textures, and now we actually have to find the texture. It's going to be under entity, and then it will be underneath skeleton. There we go. So it's just called skeleton. So we can just go here, and we're going to oh wait, this is not gonna work since we're actually in the file. So it's just gonna quickly copy that, and I'm just gonna delete that for now. There we go. But now, as you can see here, we have the texture. I just pasted it in the wrong place. We can name this skeleton. And also we have to make sure, now we can actually go to properties and make sure it is a PNG file. It is, and hit OK. And now I'm actually going to be cutting this, and I'm going to be going to skeleton over here, and I'm just going to be pasting it over here. Now it's going to bring up a little message saying there is already a file with the same name in this location. That is a good thing. You want to have that. Just hit copy and replace. And now it will work. So all we have to do now is just hit exit, and then we can go back to we can just copy the zip file, and we're going to be pasting this into the folder. So we're going to go to app, we're going to go to percent, app data percent, I'm going to .minecraft, then to resource packs, then hit paste. And you can also do this for sounds and stuff. There is some other MC Meta files and some other JSON files. I'll be leaving a link in the description down below to where I found out how to do this, because the Minecraft wiki was really helpful. I just wanted to provide a video tutorial for you guys. So now we can just open up Minecraft. Here it is, and we can select the latest release. So it's just 1.16.4 for me. Maybe in the future it'll be like, I don't know, not 1.16.4 for sure. And as you can see here, our pack file is 16.2 megabytes. It will always get larger as the updates progress. So now we can go to options, resource packs, and see here we have our test resource pack, my custom resource pack. That is exactly what we put now. And if we go to done, go to single player, and we can go to my custom pack world here, we can now see that hopefully the skeleton texture has been changed. If it doesn't work for you, make sure that you leave a comment in the description below, and I'll try to see if it works. I don't know, while spawning in a bunch of phantoms, that's not annoying at all. We can get the skeleton here, and as you can see here, skeleton skull has changed to the texture, and now the skeleton is also changed. So that is how you make custom resource packs. Just like I was about to say with mCreator, but this doesn't even require mCreator. This is just how to create a custom resource pack for any version at all. And also this works with every single texture. Some things I have not seen working are the miscellaneous textures. For example, get the pumpkin, the card pumpkin. It does not actually change the silhouette background. I'm pretty sure that is because of the JSON. So doing that kind of stuff would require more coding, and I'm not even entirely sure to do this. This is just something simple I wanted to show you guys. So yeah, that is the end of the video. If you did enjoy this video, it would be very appreciated if you were to subscribe. See you guys next time, and goodbye, guys. So this is me actually after recording the other video. So I just want to quickly show you how you can make it so that you can actually add a custom image for your pack. So all you have to do is just make a file called pack.png, and this right here is just the very simple image. That's just how you do it. You just have to name it pack and make sure it's a PNG image, and then it works. And that is just the custom pack image. I just want to throw that in. So yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.